Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Bull. In this video we are going to review a project which is already existing project, which is already listed on CoinMarketCap, and you might ask why I'm reviewing already existing projects. Because I am mostly reviewing absolutely new projects, and this is because of the reason, guys, that this still has a very low market cap. If we go now to CoinMarketCap, we will get to the project in a second, guys, but if we jump into the market cap, you can see that market cap market capitalization for this project is currently only 2 million, and this is also one absolutely new project which is just starting out, and currently its price of Jmpt token is only $2, and I believe that this is very undervalued, because guys, this project is being used by many people. If you click here in Explorers, you can get into BSC scan, because this project or this token Jmpt token is built on Binance Smart Chain, so transaction fees are cheap. You can see that they have 89,000 addresses. This means that 89,000 people are already using it. And you might ask where these Jumptask partners are coming from. So they are coming from this partnership. As you see, if you go to jumptask.io website, you can see Honey Gain partnership, and this is the most popular in the world passive income app, and this is how Jumptask gained almost 90,000 users in only 2 months. And there will be ever only 100 million of these tokens, and here you can get this contract number, and here you can see the transactions are going all the time. Like last transaction was 25 seconds. Even if we will refresh, you will see that there is still new and new transactions. As you see, 26 seconds ago, 26, and new transactions happening all the time. And this is to do with its project, guys, because what is Jumptask? Jumptask is the centralized workforce for Microtasks. Jumptask is an unprecedented DeFi platform for microtask-based earnings, fueled by Jmpt token, accessible to everyone. But let's talk about what this project is about. As you can see, you can log in, you can sign up. Rapidly growing community, we already reviewed it. Jumptask active users 283,000 with the plus, guys. Initially launched on January 13, 2022. As you see, only about 3 months old project. Jumptask attracted dozens of thousands of users in its first week. The user base is quickly expanding in terms of not just individuals but also countries and regions, which enables it to represent the real global workforce. So Jumptask has 87,000 Jmpt token holders. It has 100,000 transactions. Actually, there was already 200,000 transactions and 15 modules to be introduced. So this is the project for microtransactions, which is useful for users and which is useful for companies. So what is Jumptask? So Jumptask, I will actually make it bigger unless someone of you is also reading this, guys. So Jumptask connects companies and organizations with globally dispersed workforce, making the most out of their collective skills. It allows gig workers to discover and explore the crypto world, as all of the payments on the platform are made in its own cryptocurrency, Jmpt tokens. Companies who want to provide the micro tasks which can be completed by users. If you want to solve a task that Jumptask provides, for example, to answer some survey question, you will get rewarded in Jmpt tokens for your time, or Jumptask will reward you in its Jmpt tokens. As you can see, here is how it works. You can come in and check this out for yourself. Here is about Jumptoken if you are interested. So Jumptoken Jmpt aims to decentralize the gig economy by targeting current and potential gig workers around the world, all while making the crypto market more approachable and easy accessible to all. And if you would like to buy a Jumptask token, you can go to their jumptask.io website, and here at the very top you will see buy Jump token. Just click on this button, or you can go also optionally on PancakeSwap, and here in PancakeSwap this chart of Jumptask token will open up. Here on the right top corner you will see trade. Just click into it and you will be redirected to this exchange, and here make sure that you connect your wallet in the right top corner, guys, and you have to be on Binance smart chain. And once you have at the very top Jumptask token, you can switch it, and here instead of cake you can select what cryptocurrency you would like to spend, and you can buy it by using BUSD. As you see, BUSD, which is Binance Smart Chain stablecoin. For example, you would like to spend $1,000. For $1,000 you can buy 483 Jumptask or Jmpt tokens. Here is also a white paper where you can read in greater detail how this GMP token works. I will not be getting into it, but one important thing is, guys, that this is also a fair launch cryptocurrency. It didn't have any ICOs or IDOs, so they haven't collected any funds from users. So everything what is happening with the token currently, as you can see, currently there are total supply only of 17,900,000 tokens, and currently circulating supply is very small. It is only 1.2 million. Tokens price is also only $2, and market cap is also, like I mentioned, very small. However, if you look at the price chart, you can see that the price of this token is all the time going up. As of, for example, if we look here at the date on 17th of March, the price was $1.94. Now it is already over $2. And fully diluted market cap, this means that if the maximum supply of the tokens is released, is only 36 million. This means if all tokens would be, for example, in circulation. So let's get back to the project, guys. So let's go to their website and let's continue having a look what this project is about. So partners, Jumptask partners will have to defeat certain parameters of the tasks they need to complete, including but not limited to the type of task, rules of completion, validation, duration of the campaign, and reward size in Jmpt tokens. So users, Jumptask will offer its users a chance to earn money by completing simple microtasks that will not require specific knowledge, experience, or serious time investment. So this will attract users, and from one side, because users will be able to, or users will be interested to, for example, make profits on this project, and from the other side, this attracts companies, and companies who want to, for example, to create different micro tasks, and that way they can also advertise their product. So platform, Jumptask will act as interim platform to onboard existing businesses and to create task protocols that use Jump token or Jmpt token. All the active task models that provide to work successfully will be used to create templates for future smart contracts, and at the end all these tasks will be made as smart contracts, so they will become fully decentralized. And Jumptask is creating this platform that at the end they will make this platform also fully decentralized. And task types which can be implemented, as you can see here, guys, like surveys, for example, or application testing. If, for example, some business wants to test their applications, because Jumptask is also moving to mobile, not only on PC or desktop versions. Ad watching, this is obviously also very profitable if companies want to advertise, like translations. If translations need to be done from one language or to another, for example, I am English speaking and you are Spanish speaking, and I would like to translate some text. For example, I create quickly a task here with Jumptask for my translation, which I would like to be translated, and I pay in Jmpt tokens, and you from the other side, you can receive these Jmpt tokens and you can do this translation. And image interpretation specifies the content of various images, take part in training AI or artificial intelligence to correctly identify what it sees, manual web testing, and much more. For example, for websites, manual web testing, and so on and so forth. But I hope that you get the idea, guys, because here on CryptoBull channel I'm just trying to give you the main idea behind these projects which I'm reviewing and which I find interesting myself, guys. And this is also one of such projects where I see that this project could absolutely get very big, because if they go decentralized, and for example if businesses, and actually there are lots of businesses, and not only businesses but also people who can create or who would need such a service to create these different types of tasks, and they would be able to do it with small fees in Jmpt token, where Jumptask platform itself, it would be only kind of middle person which would take a small part from all these transactions when businesses are creating these tasks, and from the other side when users are completing these tasks. Offer was to launch in already 21 hours 55 minutes. you can already come in and check this out for yourself. But as always guys, remember that my videos are not financial advice. I'm just showcasing you what I'm interested here on Crypto Bull channel myself in crypto space. So move to decentralization. All of the planet models will start in phase 1, and here are these 3 phases, how they are going, or how this is moving into decentralization. As you see, this is phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. I actually have enlarged this so you can see what is going on here on my screen guys. So direct business, finding and onboarding partners, mediating and ensuring a smooth entry for both partners and users. And marketplace, this is giving companies and control over the task supply while providing users with a marketplace like gig selection, and decentralized protocol using BSC smart contract templates to decentralize and revolutionize the gig economy on global scale. Here is the roadmap, like Jumptask platform, Jumptoken release, initial module 100k users, which they have already achieved. DEX offering Q2, Jmpt token Android app, which they are building for mobile, offer wall module and 1 million users. Q3, Jumptask iOS app review module, survey module, 1 billion tasks, 5 million users, and so on and so forth. You can come in and check this out for yourself. And by the way, here are the partners, like they have partnered with Honeygain, and by the way, they are on YouTube. If you will search for Jumptask, as I also found this project on YouTube guys, you will find that there is some gains, and there is the videos how you can make profits on Honeygain with Jumptask tokens. Go and check them out for yourself if you are interested to do so. And another is Gem, and IS Studios also is another partner, and here you can see guys that they are pretty much on every social media which is out there. And if you have any more questions, I would recommend you to join as always their Telegram, because Telegram, Twitter, Discord, those are the places where they will release the updates about the project and whatever will be happening with the project, and you can ask questions also on these social medias. So yes, this was my quick review on Jumptask. Hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and see you in the next one.